Africa is for Africans. Hmm. So it is said, this is what it means. This is the definition of Africa for Africans. Have a look. Africa for Africans. That's what it means. Africa for Africans. And it's funny because that is said about South Africa, and in this instance, Johannesburg. Africa for Africans. All right, let's just say we take that narrative that Africa is for Africans. So is this a reflection of what Africans are all about? Hmm? Is that what it is? Africa for Africans. Gaiety, Africa for Africans. Should we rhyme with that as a poem? Africa for Africans. Oh, Africa, my Africa. I am proud of Africa because I'm an African and I can do whatever it is that I want in Africa. And this is exactly what I want Africa for Africans to look like. Doesn't make sense. And I cannot come to someone else's house and then change how they should live. All right. It's the justification Africa for Africans. Then that means that Africans are dirty people. Africans are people without law. Africans are people without rules. Africans are people without class. Africans do as they please, however they please. Africans are identified or associated with anything that is filth. Then we are proud to be Africans. Africa for Africa. It's our struggle. It's something that we are proud of. No, it can never be like that. An African child was taught to respect. An African child was taught to be clean. An African child was injected with wisdom. An African child was injected with thinking rationally. An African child is not this. It is never. So we can never justify doing something that is wrong by saying Africa is for Africans. This is totally unacceptable. It's funny that Africa is for Africans only when you are in South Africa. But I cannot come to your country and say Africa is for Africans, and then 7 of my people are deported back or are arrested from your country. Yet Africa is for Africans. And I'm told that I'm illegally there as an African in Africa. You see? So these laws or these rules or whatever, they are not balanced and they don't have a truth in them, because only when it applies to South Africa, Africa is for Africans, but any other country, Africa is not for Africans. That's what it is. So, and doing something that is right. Cleanliness is next to godliness. We all, as Africans, claim that Africans are praying people, Africans are this spiritual people. So, this is the definition of being spiritual. Something is wrong somewhere. And you cannot go to someone else's household and uh, tell them what to do simply because now you are present. If I am fighting for my rights, let me do that knowing that everything that I do has a backup. But if it doesn't have a backup, then I do not have the right. All the rights are being taken away from me. So the city has been taken to court for doing cleaning this in the city of Johannesburg with so much history. Johannesburg has so much history, and now they're actually not even trying. They're preserving and bringing back the dignity that drew people who are from Africa to another continent or to another country, which is in Africa. I mean, continent is it's Africa, but to a country that is in Africa that has so much history. Because then, if Africa is for African, why are you not staying in your country? If Africa is for Africans, stay in your country, be comfortable in your country because you are in Africa, by the way, and do whatever like this in your country and be comfortable to live with that. African child, do not disgrace yourself. That is not acceptable. This is not a reflection of an African child. I am an African child. I'm proud to be an African child. But I cannot justify my wrongs by saying Africa is for Africans, and yet I'm not doing something that is right. What does it say to other people who are not Africans about Africans? What conversation should they have about Africans when they're sitting and chatting? Yeah, what would be spoken? Even our government is failing us. When people are doing something that is right, they are being brought to court. As a Christian, then it does prove Jesus Christ right, because he did something that is right and he was brought to court. It means when you're doing something that is right, you are supposed to be the one brought to court to answer for what? For doing right. So wrong should just be acceptable. No, that's not what we want. And you know what? In South Africa, we have this saying, Ubuntu. But Ubuntu is not this. That is not Ubuntu. South Africans are kind, South Africans are understanding. But if you're taking advantage of who we are, instead of learning and embracing Ubuntu that we have or that we are as a country, don't take us for granted like that. Don't take us for granted like that. No. So respect the law of South Africa, abide by the law of South Africa, come into South Africa legally, produce your legal papers, not fake papers, then you will be acceptable, given a nice accommodation or have access to nice accommodation. You know, feel free, enjoy this big pie, which is the gold that we have in South Africa, which we are proud of. We don't mind sharing, mm, but only if things are done right. So we want to say to the city of Johannesburg, whatever it is that you are doing, go on and do it. Clean our city. I tell you guys, I read a letter that I wrote to the mayor of Johannesburg because this really it hits here because I grew up in Johannesburg. I know what Johannesburg used to be like. I know what Johannesburg Sun International made me to feel like whenever I walk past it. I went to school in Johannesburg. I know what Johannesburg is. We used to have Bob's shoes. We used to have so many other things in Johannesburg. Carlton Center Hotel. You know, there's so many hotels that we used to have. But this is what Johannesburg has become. No, we are going to clean our city. We are going to claim our city back. It is our right as South Africans, or is it? It is our right. Oh, yes, because our children are going to grow up in Johannesburg. There's a history behind Johannesburg, and we need to preserve it. It's our precious thing that we possess. Respect us, irregardless of how you feel about us, but respect the country and respect yourself as an individual because you are telling us where you come from. No, which is not true. So respect yourself, respect the country, and everybody will live in peace and enjoy. Thank you.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Nangimake lana uthumela video to ma-foreigners uthi uma nithi nine Africa is for Africans, are you guys saying ukuthi thine as South Africans kufanele sivumele into lefana nalela South Africa? Are you guys saying ukuthi we need to tolerate budlabha bunuku yonke into leni yenda la South Africa? This is Johannesburg. Everywhere la uthola khona okunema-foreigner hlezi nje kunedodi, hlezi nje nakunedodi bayalahla. They don't care about South Africa ukuthi bayangcolisa bentani, they don't care. Uthi lo make lona le slogan Africa is for African, does it work uma abantu basuka emaveni abo bete South Africa kuphela na? Because siyakho ukuthi sinema semaveni abo ngeke size sidanasele, ngeke size sithethwe ngendlela le right. Ngisho esibhedlela eclinic labo ngeke nje uzoqale ungene unganamali, you need to pay. Thine kufanele sivumele lokho. I-Africa is for Africans when it comes to foreigners ukuthi batosingcolisela live lethu South Africa na. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.